Hey, welcome back. I'm from Exploring Excel. Myself, Amir Davarkar. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. This is video number 23, SLN function to calculate straight line depreciation. Let's move on to our sheet. Okay. Now this is a SLN inbuilt function in Excel which calculates straight line depreciation of a fixed asset. Basically, depreciation means the reduction in the value of a fixed asset. Fixed assets are assets which stay in the company for more than 1 year. So this how to calculate depreciation in the reduction in the value of a fixed asset. So the SLN function, like straight line depreciation, is also known as fixed installment method or linear method to calculate depreciation. There are many 8 methods followed to calculate depreciation, like fixed installment method, reducing balance method, WDV method, and so on. So this is a SLN function, like to calculate depreciation of a fixed asset. For example, I am just showing you how to do this depreciation calculations. So basically, this is a cost of an okay. So I per ABC multinational company, ABC multinational. Okay, so ABC multinational company purchased an asset worth rupees 10,000, and it was decided to charge 10% depreciation according to the fixed installment method. So in year 1, the depreciation charge was 1,000. So the brought down balance was 9,000. In year 2, the depreciation again charged on the fixed cost of the fixed cost, that is again 1,000, and on the third year again 1,000 depreciation was charged, 10% on the cost of an asset. So the scrap value was 7,000, like 10 minus this and minus this, you get a scrap value of 7,000. Scrap value is also known as scrap value means the time at which you sold asset, which is the time at which you sold the asset. So now depreciation requires the 3 main criteria, like cost, salvage, and the life of an asset. So here the for the syntax of this, it requires cost, salvage, and the life of an asset. Cost means the initial cost of an asset plus the incidental expenses, like it is known as capital expenditure. For example, if I purchased a machinery worth rupees 10,000 and I incur the charges of installing the machine 1,400, and also the charges paid to the wages paid to the workers is 600. The total cost of a machinery is this 12,000. So this is the cost of the machinery. So it is the cost of the machinery is initial cost of an asset. This is the initial cost of an asset plus the incidental expenses which are incurred during making the machine at a working condition. So this is my cost at which I have purchased the machinery. Okay. So here how to calculate the depreciation with the straight line depreciation calculation. So depreciation per annum is calculated by the function known as SLN, equals to sign SLN, tab cost. What is the cost of an asset is this, comma, the salvage of an asset or the estimated scrap value of that asset is this, and the life of an asset is this. Life is always estimated life of an asset, and salvage is also known as estimated scrap value. This is the same example which I have taken from the above, like the cost of an asset is this, which is equals to this, then the salvage is this, and the life is 1, 2, 3 years. Let's take another example, like cost of an asset is 25,000, salvage is 5,008, life is 8, equals to SLN of cost is this, comma, salvage is this, and life of this. So it means our depreciation per annum is charged like 2,500. Then again here equals to SLN. Now the cost is this, then salvage is this, and the life of the estimated life is this. It is cost, it is every time we have to just charge this much depreciation. The next here is a very simple calculation. Let's see what results it gives. SLN function, cost is this, salvage is this, and this 19.80. It is a powerful tool. Rather than calculating this much big this, you can just see we can just charge this much depreciation per annum. Like when you get a cost of an asset, then this estimated scrap value, then you can get this. So this is how you can just calculate with the SLN function. Is a very powerful tool required while just doing the depreciation calculations. And depreciation calculation using Excel have become very more familiar and easy. So and also do keep watching my other videos. Like I am just going to start with Excel UDF series, Excel user defined function series. The link is below the description to watch an introduction video of the Excel UDF series. UDF are user defined function which enables you to create your functions for your Excel, and it is a great video to be seen, to be familiar with the Visual Basics editor and so on. So do keep watching our videos from Exploring Excel YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and watch more videos on Exploring Excel YouTube channel. Have a great day.